In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Monzo account. So let's get started. Once you download the application onto your phone, you're going to click I'm new to Monzo. Then it's going to ask you to enter your email address. So let's do that. It's going to ask you to open your email. So let's open our email. Inside of your email, you simply click login to Monzo app. Welcome to Monzo. Okay, let's hit next. Let's get to know each other. Let's get started. So I'm going to open a personal account. You also have the option for a joint account. It's like a shared account and a business account. So in this case, I'm just going to open a personal account. Then it's going to ask me for my full legal name. So I'm going to type in my full legal name and my date of birth. All right, hit next. Country of residence. I live outside the UK. Where do you live? I live elsewhere. Sorry, we can't offer you an account. So unfortunately, if you live outside of the UK or the US, you are not able to open an account. But as you can see right here, because they are a regulated bank, they're going to ask you some questions about what you do for a living and how you would like to use your new account. Then they're going to ask you to confirm your identity. So they're going to ask you for a picture of your ID, and then they compare this video that you submit with your ID, which is going to confirm who you really are. And then once you do that, you're going to have your Monzo account. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.